Let's make the best moutabal you've ever had in your life, also commonly known as Baba Ganoush. We're going to start with 2 very large eggplants, or aubergines, as you like. I've put them on a metal rack and I'm going to roast them directly on the hob. It's a bit messy this way, but charring them directly on the fire will give a unique smoky flavour. Turn them so they cook on both sides for about a good 15 minutes, and when you're done, transfer them to a bowl and peel off the charred skins. It's okay if you have a few specks of blackened skin here and there, but you don't want any big pieces. When you're done, drain them in the colander or sieve to release as much of the moisture as possible. I'm also going to give them a good squish with a fork to help that process along. I'm going to start with a teaspoon of salt and add more as necessary. Beat down the eggplant using a pestle or the bottom of a cup, as I often do. Then I'm going to add about half a cup of tahini. Always shake your tahini jar very well as it tends to separate. I've got a fat lemon here which I'm going to juice. Make sure you have enough lemons. There's nothing worse than bland or dull moutabal. I've got a clove of garlic here, and if you are going to use garlic, make sure you consume the moutabal within 3 days, because after that it will kind of go bad. I'm going to add a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, which we always do for dips and salads. Give it a final stir to make sure there are no lumpy bits, and always taste it to adjust the seasoning. I'm going to plate up using this traditional terracotta bowl, and you can find these online these days. Can you see the consistency is not too thick, not too runny? I'm using the back of the spoon to make an indent so I can drizzle some more extra virgin olive oil at the end. This goes really well with grilled meats or even fish, or simply serve it with fresh warm flatbreads. Head over to the website for other dips such as hummus or muhammara. And check back the YouTube channel for more recipes. I will eventually do all of them. I'll try my best at least.